While writing this wedding vow, I just realized that sa dami-dami ng sinasabi ko sa'yo, I am for once lost for words. I know no matter how sweet or romantic or heartfelt my words will be, it will be nothing compared to the love you have shown me and made me feel.
So, grabing blessing talaga si Terry sa akin. I could have never asked for anyone but her sa buhay ko ng additional sa akin.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, team, let's go, team. Oh, damn! Yeah! Last din na natin ito magkasama.
Pagkatapos nito, ban na kayo. Ban na tayong lahat pala.
Sabi tayo sa kanila, I love you.
Okay, Ted. Do you take Philip her present for your lawful husband according to the rites of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, Father.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, Father.
Philip, do you take Ted her present for your lawful wife according to the rites of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes na yes, Father.
Yes, yes.
Pero sa totoo lang, na-inlove talaga ako sa'yo. Sa pagiging thoughtful mo, pagiging generous mo sa lahat. Hindi lang sa akin, din-extend mo yun sa pamilya ko. And everybody I love, loves you too. Remember that. Ganun din ako sa pamilya mo. Sino yung mahal mo, mahal mo.
Sasagupa kayo sa buhay ng may asawa. Okay? At sa atin, para sa atin, ang sekreto sa atin ay hindi pera. Kundi sana ang maging sekreto natin bilang Kristiyano ay si Kristo.
Yun nga, nagbabaler kami noon. Kaso lang, nagkasakit siya noon. So, hindi kami natuloy. So, nirisked namin. So, buti na lang, narisked namin yung sa hotel, everything. So, nung April, ayun, tinaon na talaga ni God na, ayun, na mag-propose ako. So, perfect timing talaga.
It's more than enough to let the light in. The way you're making me feel it's divine. It's enough to let it flow, let it be.
Happy! Thanks. Ay, sorry. Ate! Leslie! Jen! Naligaw. Ayan. Ang beach niya. Kasi ang gusto ko talagang theme yung beach eh. Pero hindi ko na-achieve kasi hindi tayo magbe-beach
Ayan. Ito naman. Ito, napaka-maparaan na tao. John Ru, pare. Thank you. I love you, pare ko. I love you. Can you do this, pare? Yeah! Limutan ko na ibigay. Si Kim. Yes, thank you, Dudes. So, ayun. Sobrang happy na share namin yung moment namin ni Trace with them. So, I'm sobrang happy na ito talaga. Love, see you later.
For the rest of my life, for the rest of my life.
And I'm happy that ikakasal na tayo mamaya. And ayun, I hope na you're happy too. Mahal na mahal kita, aking tahan.
The love you have shown and given me is beyond words and description, my love. Now, we'll start our journey together as husband and wife. Always remember that you are my answered prayer. You will always be my love and my only love for a lifetime.
Take my hand and I promise that you'll